Got a layover in Sydney? You're 8 kilometers from the Opera House and Sydney Harbour. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for SYD. Getting around from SYD is easy. The airport link train takes you to the city in 30 minutes one way. Or grab a rideshare for about 25 minutes. You'll need at least 5 hours total to safely leave the airport and return. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, this is tight but doable for a quick city dash. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags. Then hop on the airport link train to Circular Quay. Once you arrive, take a quick 30-minute walk around the Sydney Opera House and snap photos with the Harbour Bridge in the background. After that, head straight back to the airport. You'll have just enough time to clear security and catch your flight. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore. After clearing customs, take the airport link train to Circular Quay. Start with a proper walk around the Opera House and get those iconic harbour shots. Next, stroll through the Rocks District for lunch at a traditional Australian pub where you'll find hearty meals and local atmosphere. Then grab drinks at Opera Bar with views of both the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. From there, take your time heading back to the airport with plenty of buffer for your flight. 16 hours? That's a full day in Sydney. Clear customs and head straight to Circular Quay by train. Start your morning at the Opera House, then walk across part of the Harbour Bridge for incredible views. Next, explore the Rocks markets if it's a weekend, or just wander the historic cobblestone streets. Grab lunch at a harbourside restaurant with fresh seafood. After that, take some time at Opera Bar for afternoon drinks and people watching. Then explore another neighbourhood or relax at Circular Quay before heading back. You'll have a complete Sydney layover experience with time to spare. Budget breakdown. The 4-hour dash costs about $20 Australian for round-trip train tickets. The 8-hour Explorer runs about $85 with lunch, drinks, and transport. And the full 16-hour day costs around $140, including meals, activities, and a shower at the airport. A few tips? First, most travelers need an Australian visa, or ETA, to leave the airport, so check before you land. Second, luggage storage at Terminal 1 is only open 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., so plan accordingly. And third, the Opera House views from Circular Quay are completely free and just as stunning as any paid tour. Planning a Sydney layover? Full guide with visa tips, transport options, and more at yopki.com. Link below.